How are you today?
I'm good.
Great. Okay, Tina, do you know what are the type of pollutions you know?
Um,
What are the pollutions? What are the types of pollution?
there are four pollution:
Mhm. One is?
air, soil, water, noise.
What do you think is the most dangerous one in your place?
The dangerous
Dangerous. In my
is
place?
noise.
Noise. Oh, yes, because if it's noisy, you cannot sleep well, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. So now let's move on to part two. Okay, in part two, you have to describe the picture here. We have the picture here, and you have to describe. Okay, are you ready?
Yes. In the picture, I can see a dead bird.
Mhm.
Inside the body has many chunks. The bird is dead because no food to eat. I think we should clean the
House.
house. Do not throw
Trash.
trucks in the sea so that animals can live.
Wow, good job. Okay, we shouldn't cut the trees, right? To protect the Mother Earth. All right. Now let's move on to the part three. Part three, talk about your favorite or your dream job. What do you want to be?
I
Want to be?
want to be a nurse.
I want to be a
I want
nurse.
to be a nurse
Why?
because I like children and
I like to help
I like to have
sick
sick
people.
people.
Yes, and it's a good job. Helping people is a good job, and I think you will become a good nurse. Okay, that's the end of our speaking test. Tina, say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, see you again.